Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to reset your password in ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app. Now tap on Login. After this, tap on Continue. Enter your email address linked to your account. Now tap on Forgot Password. Tap on Continue again to proceed. You will receive a verification code on your email. Enter the code in the required field. After verifying, enter your new password. Make sure to choose a strong password for better security. Now, re-enter the password to confirm. Your password will now be changed successfully. You can now log in to ChatGPT using your new password. Now you have successfully reset your ChatGPT password. Thanks for watching.